It is with a great pleasure that I welcome you to another amazing English class. My name is Miss Rebecca. In today's class, we'll be talking about irregular, singular, and plural. In our previous English class, we talked about expressing singular and plural, and our focus was on formation of plural nouns by the addition of s or es. But today we are going to look at how we can form plural of nouns by adding ies, ves, or by changing oo to ee. Today's class promises to be amazing, so be attentive. The first method of forming irregular plural nouns that we are going to consider is addition of ies. To form the plural nouns of words that end with y, you first of all change the y to I and then add ies. We'll be considering some example of words that end with y and how their plurals are formed. The first example of word ending with y that I have here is baby, B-A-B-Y, baby. And to form the plural of baby, you change y to I and add es. So the plural of baby is babies. I have yet another example, which is lorry, and the plural of lorry is lorries. We proceed to the formation of plurals by the addition of ves. When a noun ends with f or fe, the plural of such a noun is formed by changing the f or fe to v and then adding es. I have some examples here, and the first one is leaf, L-E-A-F, leaf. To form the plural of leaf, we change the f to v and add es. So the plural of leaf is leaves. Another example is calf, and the plural of calf is calves. Moving forward, I have wife, and the plural of wife is wives. Note, wife here ends with fe, so the fe is changed to v, then es are added to form the plural. Finally, we want to look at formation of plural nouns by changing vowel letters oo to ee. There are some singular nouns that have the vowel oo occurring together, and to form plural of such nouns, we simply change the oo to ee. And we are going to be looking at some examples of such words. The first word that has letter oo occurring side by side is tooth. Tooth. One of your teeth is called tooth. And to form the plural of tooth, change oo to ee, and that is teeth. Therefore, the plural of tooth is teeth. One of your teeth is tooth, and two or more are referred to as teeth. Another example of such word is foot. And to form the plural of foot, you change the oo to ee, and it will give you feet. The singular is foot and the plural is feet. It's activity time, champions. Give the plural of the following: knife, city, goose. Alright, the plural of knife is knives. We change the fe, as you know, to v and add es. The plural of city is cities. You change the y to I and add es. And the plural of goose is geese. You change the oo occurring together to ee, and that gives you geese. I believe you found today's class very interesting. Thank you so much for listening. See you next time. Bye.